Hello, everyone. In this video, I am going to give you an impartial review when I am covering 5 best Bluetooth hoverboards in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, I am trying to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best pick is SISIGAD Hoverboard with Bluetooth and colorful light self-balancing scooter. Graffiti pattern. Passion and vitality. Personality and featured. Fashion and cool. Safety is our first priority. All SISIGAD hoverboards have passed strict electrical tests and meet UL 2272 standards to ensure safety. Any issues, just feel free to contact them. Built-in wireless speakers can be easily connected to portable devices in a second. Just enjoy your favorite music or books without wearing headphones. Full of technology and easy to learn for beginners and amateurs. 36V/2. 0 Li-ion batteries, dual 300-watt hub motors, quick charging and longer using time. Maximum speed can be up to 9 miles per charge, 15 kilometers per hour. Enjoy the speed and free yourself completely. 6.5-inch high-quality rubber tires, non-slip and shock-absorbing pedals, can travel in safety. Weight-bearing ranges from 44 pounds to 200 pounds. Shipped from US. All SISIGAD hoverboard have passed strict electrical test and meet UL 2272 standards to ensure safety. Nice hoverboard for beginners. For the price you get a well-made board that lights up for added fun. After following the instructions and charging the board, the kids couldn't wait to try it. It rides smoothly over flat surfaces, which is great for first-time learners. And between multiple kids taking turns, the battery life is amazing. Number 2. Our second best pick is XPRIT Hoverboard with Bluetooth speaker. The majority of buyers loved this Bluetooth hoverboard and praised its comfort. They proclaimed that their kids loved it, and it had good Bluetooth coverage. In some cases, there was some apparent disconnection of Bluetooth. However, most of them rated their experience as great. XPRIT has done great at keeping the overall design profile of this hoverboard minimal. It is featured in various popping colors in the same price bracket. It roughly takes around 2 to 3 hours to charge completely and gives a riding time of around 1 to 2 hours, with the Bluetooth turned off. You can expect around 1 hour of riding time with Bluetooth turned on. Another great thing is the self-balancing feature, which ensures the safety of the rider. The wheels are also great on all kinds of terrains. You can ride without any issue on carpets and concrete roads. XPRIT's Bluetooth hoverboard is well designed and keeps the aesthetics at its maximum. The variety of color options also makes it a unique choice for many teens and pre-teens who like to match colors with their personalities. Pros. Available in different colors. Excellent self-balancing feature. Maximum carrying capacity of 165 pounds. Battery can be charged in just 2 to 3 hours. Gyroscope sensors for feet accommodation. Cons. Riding time is quite short. Number 3. Our third best pick is TOMOLOO Hoverboard with Bluetooth speaker and LED lights self-balancing scooter. Most buyers report that their kids loved this Bluetooth hoverboard. They stated that the lights are pleasant, and their kids comfortably started riding just after 5 minutes of unboxing it. Plus, they love that the battery charges very fast and lasts for a long time. The TOMOLOO hoverboard can easily hit a speed of 7.45 miles per hour. However, the speed also depends upon the type of terrain and the weight of the rider. It is imperative to mention that 6.5-inch wheels are heat-resistant and waterproof. Moreover, you can install the supported application to check the battery percentage, range, and much more. Moreover, the brakes are smooth, guaranteeing the safety of the rider. It can easily handle a weight of 220 pounds. This product will guarantee fun with your friends and family with attractive LED lights and impressive design. This product can be an excellent gift for kids. They can have fun controlling the LED lights and other features of this hoverboard with the mobile-compatible app. The performance is great, and the ride is smooth too. Pros: high speed of 7.45 miles per hour. Heat and water resistant. Flame-proof tires for users' safety. Loud and clear Bluetooth speakers. Built-in short-circuit and overcharge protection. Cons: vibrates for no reason. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Swagtron T580 app-enabled Bluetooth hoverboard with speaker, smart self-balancing wheel. Max out your swag and step on the all-new Swagtron T580 Bluetooth hoverboard. At only £0. The self-balancing board is both lightweight and sturdy. It easily supports any rider between 44 to 0 pounds, making it ideal for children, teens, and adults. Before riding, charge the Li-ion batteries for just hours and choose between 3 modes. Learning mode is programmed for beginners, while intermediate riders can start adventuring with standard mode. For master riders craving the next challenge, the hoverboard self-balancing scooter also comes with a special advanced mode accessible via the app. Riding is as simple as start, steer, and stop. Step on the non-slip foot pedals to activate the sensors and powerful dual motors. With dynamic equilibrium, you'll control where you go and how fast you ride with just a shift of your weight. Featuring a durable casing and aluminum rims, this hoverboard for sale has the build for daring adventures and ample traction. There are battery and system indicator lights for instant checks at just a glance. The app also features a map function that tracks your route, so you'll never get lost. This UL7 certified hoverboard has 0 emissions and has passed rigorous safety and electrical tests for the sake of its riders. Number 5. Last but not the least, our fifth best pick is Jetson Flash self-balancing hoverboard with built-in Bluetooth speaker. Look flash and feel flash with the Jetson Flash all-terrain hoverboard. With its innovative active balance technology, even first-time riders will experience powerful and balanced rides. And for those looking to push things to the limit, they can flash past onlookers with this board's top speed of 10 miles per hour. With a battery range of 12 miles per hour and an enhanced Bluetooth speaker that lets you play music as you cruise, you can explore in style. Sporting a 500-watt dual-hub motor, the Flash reaches speeds up to 10 miles per hour. And yes, that's on 100% electric power. The long-lasting rechargeable lithium-ion battery is fully charged in up to 3 hours and provides an impressive range of up to 12 miles. An enhanced Bluetooth speaker provides crisp, clear sound, so you can bump your beats as you zoom and spin. Get the free app to choose between 3 different ride modes, track travel time and distance, share your activity with friends, and more. Terrain wheels ensure a smooth and safe ride. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.